The director of Ishq Holiday, Mr. Binoy Gandhi.
No, Nigam, I want to start with that and then end with this. Shall we do planning?
Binoy's been working with me for quite a while now. He's been working with me since Fana, so that's 2005. He is very good with telling stories about romance and love and passion.
And because we shot this film in Mauritius, we needed somebody who understood scale. So I think Binoy, along with Nigam, the DOP, have managed to create a film which is on par with any feature film. So even though it's a 45-minute film, it's a feature film which is 45 minutes.
It was an amazing experience to work with him. In fact, the good thing with me and him was that he did not need me to act. So if I would be a little exaggerated in emotions or expressions ever, he would ask me to just mellow it down. I have taken his criticism very positively, and that's the only reason why I think Payal has turned out to be how Payal is in the film. I would completely give the credit to Binoy for that.
When he reached the set, we didn't have to waste time trying to figure out what is what and how it's supposed to be done. I was doing the camera and I had to enter into the scene. And it was not necessary for him to come enter the scene and stand next to me. But then he made it a point that he entered the scene and he was standing next to me. And he was actually supporting me. And that is something which is very important, because as a leader, when you're directing a film, if you are actually the person that you're portraying on the set, the unit members will actually follow you. So that way I think he's a superb person.
I think this is quite a nice film that he's made. He's come up with very interesting characters. He shot the locations really well. He's created some very nice scenes. And all in all, let's see how he performs in this film, and let's see how you'll like his work.
I love the place. I think Mauritius is one of my favorite filming locations in the world. It's got locations which are pristine, which is what we needed for a film like Ishq Holiday.
Well, the perks of shooting in Mauritius is they're shooting on a beach. So it's like you're working on a holiday destination. What better place can you be working in?
Anywhere you shoot, they have beautiful houses, they have amazing beaches, they have amazing roads. So I think for a film to be shot there, especially our film, it really helped the film a lot.
It's a party place and the unit was young, so everyone was partying a bit too much. So I think that was the challenge that we faced. To drag everyone out from partying mode and say, okay, work.
The crew parties a lot. They party every night and they party a lot.
Half of my crew partied, but me.
So Binoy wants a white shot. So while I'm on the parasailing, he tells the guy, "Oh, dhur bhejo, jane do," because he wanted a white shot and had to look nice. The yacht was a parasailing going on. I'm far up, high in the sky somewhere. I just start swirling everywhere, and my legs are rubbing against each other, and there's rope everywhere, and I'm start to bleed. Very normal, right, for anyone to start crying? Maybe not, whatever.
The most difficult scene that we had to shoot was at the waterfall, where Sahil had to jump. And then Supani also entered the water. It was difficult because we had to take the camera into the lake, and it was freezing cold. I have to make sure when Sahil is jumping into the water from that edge, I have to follow him in a tide. So it's as I'm following, he lands. So that was really, really difficult.
I think the Hitler on set was Vicky Bari.
I think I'd say Vicky Bari, because he didn't let us party. He yelled at everyone for no reason. I didn't get my cold coffee.
Hitler on set, I think it would have to be me. And I think most of the crew will agree, because while I was there in Mauritius, I think I used to tell everyone, sleep on time, wake up on time, don't party too much, come to work on time, don't be late, do this, do that. So I guess everyone kind of almost hated me.
Binoy, when he needs to be.
I think it's always the director, Binoy.
I was a Mother Teresa, if I have to say her name.
It should have been Christy, but I don't think it was.
Mother Teresa, I don't think anybody can be a Mother Teresa on set. The only person that can be a Nelson Mandela on set, that would be me.
quite a few Casanovas actually in this unit, but I think the first two names that come to my mind would have to be the DOP Nigam and the director Binoy Gandhi.
I'd say my DOP Nigam.
Binoy again.
Binoy saver, yeah.
All the men. I'm sorry, I can't name one because there'd be a competition.
I think someone called Banerjee.
Bakra.
Besides me being the Bakra, because I was co-producing this thing, I think the other Bakra would have to be Siddharth Banerjee, the first AD on the film.
Bakra.
I think it would be me by Sukhmani and Gaurav.
Again, I would say Binoy because I think we were just pulling his leg.
The Bakra should hopefully not be me and the film should turn out well.
I don't know if there was anyone Pakhan because, I mean, every day everyone was hungover and shooting, so I don't know if anyone was Pakhan.
Most Pakka will have to be Binoy.
There are lots of love angles on this film. I think everybody is the less said the better.
Binoy, you always used to say it like, I'm shooting Ishq Holiday, and in Ishq Holiday, anything is possible. A guy can fall in love with a guy, a girl can fall in love with a girl. It could be like, in any other order.
I'm making a film called Ishq Holiday. If there's no Ishq, what's the fun? So yeah, I mean, there were a lot of love angles, there were love triangles, there were love quadrangles or whatever you may call it, but yeah, everyone was in love.
In Ishq Holiday, in the crew? You really want me to answer that? There'll be too many crisscrosses going on all over the place, so I'll keep quiet.
Please do watch Ishq Holiday and do like it. It's an honest film made.
I think it's turned out brilliantly. We are very happy with the product and we are hoping that everybody who sees this is going to be as happy as us. So yes, watch Ishq Holiday and enjoy yourself.
I find it very strange when people sit and talk about their own films and they praise it to no end and everything like that. But I think I'm quite happy with the way Ishq Holidays turned out, but I would like to leave the final judgment to you and see what you have to say about Ishq Holiday.